Final thing before I leave you, foam. You've all seen this. I showed you, this is generally what I use if I'm working with prototypes and I want to go to the prototyping stage, avoiding using leather. An EVA foam. Just a cheap EVA foam goes a long way, far cheaper than leather. Cuts beautifully, as you will have seen. You know, you can do all sorts of, I mean, you've still got to practice your cutting skills, but you can do all sorts of complex shapes in it, and it will save you a small fortune in leather when it comes to the whole prototyping process. Obviously, over time, you won't need to, he says pulling very badly, over time, you won't need to go so much for every single part of the prototyping process through getting that experience. But as an extra tool, foam, it's a readily available resource. I personally would highly recommend using this type of foam for the prototyping process. And obviously, it's, you know, this is what you're going to see leads on to in the next module.